everybody. Welcome back to the Skyvan Experience. Today is a big day. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I either got allergies or a cold, but today's a big day. Today, I finally start some sound deadening in our Sprinter van. I've been driving this thing to work now for about 3 weeks. I think I mentioned before, its decibel level is about 73, 74. Not horrible. But going over railroad tracks and stuff like that, it'll peak at like over 100 decibels. So today, we start addressing some of those issues. First thing we're going to do, the biggest culprit. You see how I have this paper shoved in here? Didn't work very well. It just kind of started falling out. This is not really attached. Biggest culprit comes from right here on the sliding door. So we're going to stick some silicone in there today. I've also got some sound deadening mat. Again, something weird's going on up here. These weird little spot welds. I don't know what that is. Anyway, gonna definitely support that a little bit. And the biggest thing, we got our sound deadening mat. Why did I order Killmat? It's what I saw everybody else using. I wish I had some scientific explanation for it. Price-wise, it seemed to be pretty much in line with everything else I was seeing. So I thought, well, why not? Let's try this. I think this covers, it said, 35 square feet, something like that. So we'll see. I see a lot of people just putting one sheet per panel. Can't even fit that in there. Maybe I can. Maybe I can shove that in. Oh, no. Anyway, I'll have to see. I don't really want to cut this down, but we'll see how it goes. And really, from what they say, one sheet per panel might be good enough. So we'll see. So first of all, I'm going to start cleaning this with some spray away. Make it nice and ready for the silicone that I'm going to shove between here and the sheet metal. And then we'll start installing our sound deadening panels. It's an exciting day. So let me show you what I did here. So that piece was not connected at all. I figured putting some silicone in there will give it a little cushion, but also keep the sheet metal from rattling around so much. Did it down here. These, I think they call them tensioners or something like that. They weren't connected at all. There had been something in there, but it had completely broken away. So once again, I just kind of shoved some silicone in there. And it's better already. It hasn't even dried. Much better already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look around the rest of the cargo area here and see if anything else is separated, and then go ahead and fill that in as well. And then I'll start hitting it with the old Killmat sound deadening material, and we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, I hit a few more areas kind of closer to the roof. It didn't seem like it had broken away, but I figured, well, while I have access to it, I'll go ahead and do it. Why not? Did some down there too. When we get her on the road, after I do the Kilmat, that'll be the real test. So let's get to Killmat installing. Never having done this before, I thought, oh, okay, well, you just take it, you unstick it, and then place it on your panel. And just kind of go like this. Oh, look at me. I'm done. Yay. Luckily, I came across a great contributor who pointed out that to really do it right, you got to get this tool. It's got some knurls on it. And it looks like foil now. It looks like it's, what do you call it, quilted or whatever, but you need to attack it. You need to attack it. Put those knurls right into it. And you actually want to knock down whatever kind of padding you see there. I'll get you in close here to check it out. See, look, I already got a bubble right there. That's not good. I might have to pierce that with something. But really go after it. Get it good. There we go. Bring in. So I'm not sure if you can see the knurls that are in it there. And I got that bubble. Dang, I got to go get a utility knife and pop that sucker. Probably not. Anyway, but that's what it should look like. So now, whatever 35 square feet, I'm going to start at the front here. Definitely do this door. Probably a piece down below. And work my way along one side and see how much I have. Just cut a piece in half to fit on these little panels here. Also in this kit came one to get in a little bit tighter spaces. That'll come in handy around the wheel wells and stuff like that. Perfect. It is hot. Woo! Humid. Georgia today. Alrighty, so here's the thing. It's kind of interesting. So I've done all the panels I wanted to do. I got the slider. I've got these panels over here. And some of you guys who know sprinters better than me can help me out with this. I'm presuming this is what counts as factory sound deadening because it's also on the ceiling. And it's in these upper areas. Now, it's not in those lower areas where I did the Killmat. So I'm not sure. I think I'll go with it for now and see how it is going to work over the next week or two, and see what the difference is, and maybe I'll add some more. I just put one panel on this wheel well, but I went ahead and put 3 over here. I'm thinking since I have so much left over, I'll go ahead and do that wheel well more as well. And then I guess whatever I have, and again, there's that factory sound deadening, if that's what that is. Maybe I'll add some to there. Oh, also need to definitely add some more to the rear doors. It's raining quite a bit here today. Definitely will put some there. We're not planning on putting rear windows in the van, in the Sky van. And also a window will go here in the future, so I'm not going to put anything right there. Unless I get lazy and want to put some there. Anyway, probably won't put anything there. I did, obviously, put it on the slider, even though 99% sure that panel right there is going to be replaced with a window. That could be a year from now. So I want to have it as quiet as possible until that time, until we can replace that with a window. So yeah, I'm going to finish up that wheel well and see whatever else I can do.
Well, here's the end product for right now. I need to look around, see what else I can maybe do, and then take it out on the road and test it, get up my decibel meter, and see where we're at.
So it's been a couple of weeks since I put the sound deadening in the van and finished that up. I actually ended up having enough to put it fully around both of the wheel wells. I was hearing, and it made kind of sense to me that putting more on the wheel wells would make a lot of sense because a lot of noise is transferred up through there. I'm also seeing, it's been a couple weeks, but where I need to do a little bit more work. For example, right here, need to put some silicone up in there. I think I might get some more Kilmat and put on the roof as well. But other than that, the sound deadening has been a total success. I went from an average, and this has been proven over the past couple weeks, between 73, 74 decibels driving to work every morning. It's cut it down to about 60, 61. So it is so much quieter in here, especially, I think, mostly due to the sliding door. Rattles around a lot less. It still kind of creaks a little bit, but I think that's just going to be, I think that's probably pretty typical when you have a big door like that. So anyway, the sound deadening worked out really well. Very happy with it. Again, I think I have to do a little bit more. I can make it even a little bit better, but right now it's working good. So I hope this helped you out. Hope you learned a little something. And if you did, please hit like, hit subscribe, and tune in next time when we will be doing a few more things. Coming up, we're going to be putting some 12-volt power in the upper dash and stuff like that. Thanks. See you later. Bye.